Hello everyone, welcome to ZAARA'S world. Take your practice book 3A and turn the page 48. Adding a 3-digit number and ones. Question number 1. A museum has 149 fossils. They are given 5 more. How many fossils do they have now? Now they have 149. Adding 5 more. 150, 151, 152, 153, 154. B. Ella and Noah found 238 dinosaur bones on the beach and 7 more in a field. How many bones altogether? 238. Now we have to add 7. 239, 240, 241, 242, 243, 244, 245. So we are correct. Complete the calculations. A. 7 plus 4, 11. 347 plus 4, 347, 348, 349, 350, 351. 8 plus 3 is 11. 528 plus 3. 529, 530, 531. 3. Complete the additions. A. 349 plus 6. 349, 350, 351, 352, 353, 354, 355. B. 349 plus 7. 356. C. 349 plus 8. 357. 6 plus 459. Let's add and see. 459, 460, 461, 462, 463, 464, 465. Okay, this one is also a bit same. We write like this because it's subtracting little by little. This is 459, this is 458. So this will be subtracting little. So we will write here 464. Here this is 457 now. So we will write here this the hundreds and tens is same, but the ones is not same. It is subtracting. Let's add and see what is the answer. 559 plus 6. 559, 560, 561, 562, 563, 564, 565. 565. Now let's add this together. 558, 559, 560, 561, 562, 563, 564, 565. Now let's add again. 557, 558, 559, 560, 561, 562, 563, 564, 565. Explain the pattern that you noticed. A, B and C have the one's number is always adding up when I'm adding, and D, E and F have a number that is reducing. G, H, I have the same number. 4. Circle the calculations where the tens digit will increase. Then calculate the additions. Let's add and write the answer. 584 plus 1 is 585. 185 plus 4 equals 189. 418 plus 5, 419, 420, 421, 422, 423. $158 plus 4, 159, 160, 161, 162. Here 5, here 5. Can we circle? No, we can't. Here 8, here 8. Can we circle? No, we can't. Here 8, here 8. Can we circle? No, we can't still. Here 1, here 2. Can we circle? Yes, we can. Here 5, here 6. Can we circle? Yes. Here 1, here 2. Can we circle? Yes. Here 4, here 4. Can we circle? No, we can't. Here 5, here 6. Can we circle? Yes. 5. Use the digits 3, 4, 5 and 8 to make additions for each list. Tens digit will not increase is this side. Tens digit will increase is this side. I add 384 plus 3 and the answer is 387. But the tens did not change. See? They both are 8. So this is correct. Same like this, we have to fill this part. I add 345 plus 8 and my answer is 353. See, the tens is not same. So we are correct. Same like this, we should fill. Subtracting ones from a 3-digit number. 1. Amy and Bill are selling badges for charity. A. Amy starts with 251 badges. She sells 7. How many does she have left? Let's write 251 here. Minus 7. Let's subtract 251, 250, 249, 248, 247, 246, 245, 244. Amy has 244 badges left. B. Bill starts with 424 badges. He sells 6. How many does he have left? Let's write 424 here minus 6. 424, 423, 422, 421, 420, 419, 418. Bill has 418 badges left. 2. Complete the subtractions. A. 303 minus 8. 303, 302, 301, 300, 299, 298, 297, 296, 295. Now this is 303. We have to subtract 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this is the answer. We are correct. Let's mark until 295. B. 253 minus blank equal 249. Now we have to check what is the number that is subtracted. Now 253 is here. We will count backwards to check the number. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's write the answer.